Hey guys, so you know that I am in love with the sequins that change colors, right? Or not change colors, but like you can rub it one way and it's a different color. So, look what I found. Oh my god, it's so cute! And I turned the flash off so you guys can see, but look at these. I'll pull one out in a minute. Maybe I should have turned flash back on, but when I did, it made it to where you couldn't see. Look at that. Oh, this is the one I'm in love with right here. Look at this, y'all. It's a unicorn and it changes. Look at the beautifulness. See that? So the only ones that change is his belly and his feet and this peak. Well, actually the back might, yeah, the back would change. I know it's dark, but if I turn flash on, you're going to have trouble seeing. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh. And these are, might as well say $6. Alright, so let's pull out the next one. Oh wow, this one's beautiful. Oh, guys, look at this one. Goes from purple to blue. And this one here is Posh the Kitty. Let's see, mine was Magic Unicorn. Y'all see what just happened, right? I dropped it. I swear. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, baby.
I found what I wanted.
You can't hear it. What is it doing? Oh. I never heard that song on that movie.
Look.
She sings another one.
Relax. Maybe you ought to try it.
Okay.
Don't stop the beat. I can't stop the beat. I won't stop the beat.
Alright, we'll do a separate video for your toys. Alright, and the next one I'm going to pull out is this one. You know, I wish I was one of these rich YouTubers so I can buy every single one of these and then pull them out of the box and show you.
She said, cupcakes?
Cupcakes? Oh yeah, that's when the Bergen finds them. And, what is my favorite one? Cooper poops out 2 cupcakes. So this one here is called Peanut the Elephant. How beautiful would this be just sitting in your room? I'll tell you what, I'm in love with that unicorn. I'm going to get that unicorn. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's called Ruby the Fox.
Ooh,
what would the fox say? What would the fox say? Hey, yeah. Ooh. Right, so beautiful, guys. Okay, so I'll put that up there. Probably can't show them all to you because there's a ton of these. Let's see. Let's do this one. And I also have eyes. I don't know why they look at me like I'm not going to put it back. Sparkle the Bear. Surprise. Oh, fun surprise inside. Wonder what that is. Wonder what the surprise is. Okay. Oh, that one's pretty. It changes from purple to blue. And then it's got teal on it. I really love that pink one. This one right here. Oh, this says this is Precious the Pig. That's beautiful. Alright, and as you can see, like, there's different colors. Just like this one, there's another one right here. Ooh, that Lucy the llama. I don't know. I think I would want to leave mine in the box. Let me fix this buggy. Oh gosh. We gotta get laundry done, girl. Oh, this one looks cute. Artie, stay over here. Oh, this one's beautiful too. This one here is Sonny the parrot. And he's a rainbow in the back.
Sonny.
Yeah. Oh, this one's pretty. Why does it have to... why does it have to... Well, you guys see it. How about I'm not just going to pull any more out. We'll just do this. Just because I already have a bunch out. You pretty much get the idea. Oh, look at that. I love bears. It's so beautiful. So I'm just going to do this so you guys can get an idea. Oh, look at that one. Happy the Hedgehog. I don't know if I could see its face. Let's see. Oh, there. Artie, I can't see you over there. Oh, look, there's Precious the pig. We already seen her. So these are pretty much all the same ones. Let me get my finger out of the camera. So the other day, not the other day, but you guys, a while back, I done a video showing you guys. Artie, come here. Well, I can't see you, so get over here. Thank you. I did a video showing you guys some shoes, and I'm not really sure why the guy commented what he said, but he made a comment saying cheap ass. Okay, baby. And I replied to him that I'm not sure where he's getting I'm a cheap ass from, because I didn't even purchase anything, and the stuff that I showed wasn't really cheap. But even if it is, what's the big deal? It doesn't matter how much you spend. You know, it's none of his business, and you never know the struggles people go through. So I told him if he don't have nothing nice to say, then he can get off my channel, and he hasn't replied back yet. But I just can't stand negative people, and then sitting here calling me a cheap ass when I'm doing a video of trying to get something for my daughter. Anyway, so I'm gonna take a picture of these and post these on Instagram. And anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And these here are at Walmart, just in case you guys are wondering. And I love you guys so much.